What happens if you don't sleep for 3 days? My kid asked me this today. What would actually happen if someone stayed awake for 3 whole days? Most people imagine simple tiredness, heavy eyes, low energy, maybe a bad mood. But sleep is not just rest. Sleep is when the brain performs essential maintenance that cannot fully happen while we are awake. During healthy sleep, the brain sorts and stores memories from the day, stabilizes emotional signals, balances stress hormones, and clears away metabolic waste that slowly builds up during waking hours. So when sleep disappears, the effects don't arrive all at once. They unfold step by step. After about 24 hours without sleep, attention and reaction time begin to drop. The brain processes information more slowly. Small mistakes become more common. Simple choices take more effort. Many people feel strangely wired and exhausted at the same time, as stress hormones try to keep the body functioning even while mental clarity fades. After roughly 48 hours, memory becomes noticeably unreliable. You might read the same sentence again and again without absorbing it. Thoughts feel harder to hold in place. Emotions may feel closer to the surface. Inside the body, stress signals remain elevated, and the immune system becomes less effective because sleep plays a role in regulating inflammation and coordinating immune defense. By around 72 hours without sleep, the brain is under significant strain. Some people experience strong disorientation. Concentration becomes extremely difficult. The brain may enter brief microsleeps, tiny involuntary shutdowns lasting only a few seconds at a time. During a microsleep, the eyes may still be open, but awareness fades. This is one reason severe sleep loss can become dangerous in real-world situations like driving or operating machinery. In certain cases, people may briefly see or hear things that are not truly present, not because they are losing their mind, but because an exhausted brain struggles to correctly interpret sensory signals. The deeper reason this happens is surprisingly simple. Without sleep, the brain never receives its full reset period. Neural activity remains continuously engaged. Emotional regulation weakens. Waste-clearing systems in the brain cannot work at normal efficiency. The longer wakefulness continues, the more strained these protective systems become. And this reveals something easy to forget. Sleep is not passive. Sleep is active protection. Every night, without us noticing, sleep helps keep thinking clear, emotions stable, immunity balanced, and perception connected to reality. So when someone feels persistently exhausted, it is rarely about laziness. It is usually biology asking for restoration. Sleep is one of the body's quiet survival systems working in the background, asking for nothing except time.